travel bug, so I want to see all 50 United States at least once in my life, and I would like to see the Northern Lights in person. My name is Caelenes and I live in Pleasant Hill, Oregon. My husband and I run a local concrete cutting company together, so my role there is primarily the financials. So I reconcile bank statements, I pay the bills, I send the bills, along with so many other things that come with running a small business. So a day in my life is probably pretty boring. A typical day is a work day. I work Monday through Friday. I try to wake up between 5 and 5:30. I drink my coffee. I do my workout. I text my accountability buddy and we make sure that each other got our workout in. I go and I let out my chickens. I feed my dogs. I pack my lunch and my husband's lunch and I head off to work. When I get home, I kind of do the reversal. I make dinner. I unpack our lunches. I put the chickens away. I collect the eggs and I feed the dogs again, and then I just try to fit in playing with alternative hair and getting chores done just kind of wherever I can in my day. One thing I wish I knew when starting my hair loss and alternative hair journey was that there's so many people out there that are going through the exact same thing as me, and I wish I would have known just the community of support and the resources and knowledge and tips and tricks that were all available to me. I just didn't know it, and I wish I would have known that although it was hard at first, eventually I was gonna have a lot of fun with it. The type of hair loss that I have is alopecia areata, and I have been wearing wigs since I started school when I was 5 years old. I think the best part of being an education ambassador for me is just knowing that I get to be something that I could have really used during so many phases of my hair loss journey, and put info out there that would have been helpful to me. So the fact that Jon Renau lets me be a part of something that's bigger than myself is probably the best part for me. I just want to say that I am absolutely excited and honored to get to be a part of the Education Ambassador program, and I just want to help normalize hair loss and normalize alternative hair and help people to learn to love and embrace themselves for who they are and know that it is okay if you wear alternative hair because you have hair loss, and that there is a huge community out there of others just like them.